Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix slow motion on Madden NFL 25. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I suggest to do here is to go on settings. And on settings, you need to go to as you can see here, you need to go to where's the setting here? Graphics, right? Here. And then if you have slow motion, what I suggest to do here, make sure window mode are not on windowed or borderless window, but on full screen. And then try to lower your full screen resolution to, as you can see here, 1600 times 900. And then lock your FPS to 60 and then look if the problem persists. But I did this trick here, lock my FPS to 60 and made my full screen resolution to 1600 times 900 and slow motion gone for me, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.